punani, me no have no room. Back shots make the back go boom. Pull your hair, get your back in tune. Change position.
Hey everyone, we're adopting full stack. So I'm going to explain to you how things are going to work for this course because I don't want anyone confused, and we've spent a lot of time making the perfect course that's going to get you the job that you're looking for. The way that this course works is we've simulated a real job environment. So you're going to utilize GitHub, you're going to utilize Slack to communicate with other developers. We have our quizzes that are going to follow each of the project features that you're going to be pushing out. We're going to follow a strict Jira Agile methodology. It's going to require you to be in our environment in Jira as well as Confluence, and you can utilize Confluence for your own documentation, notes, as well as look at any notes we've created for the actual modules themselves. Finally, we'll be deploying our application to Vercel, which means we're going to have to host a remote repository on GitHub. There's a few things that are encompassing this course overall. We're doing it all together. You have a learning community because when you step into the software engineering world, you're not coding by yourself. You're coding with a team to build amazing projects.
No tutorial on YouTube will prep you to earn money more than this one you are currently watching. This course was designed carefully with 8 comprehensive lesson modules to prepare you for a senior full-stack job interview with a real full-stack blog project. As you know, we are building a Twitter, Reddit, and Quora-inspired clone with React.JS 18 and a Next.js 13 framework, database of MongoDB, the NoSQL document-based database, and it's free. We will connect to MongoDB using Backend API routes that you'll create in Next.js, since React is only for the front end. We want our blog app to look professional, so we'll use Tailwind CSS for styling to save time without sacrificing elegance. Ready to change your life with one course? If you complete all 8 lessons, you'll easily blow away your competition during your interviews in 2023. A professional developer must be able to easily create interactive and dynamic modern applications. This course provides hands-on experience in building real-world projects and teaches you essential skills for product development. Developers familiar with React.JS, this course will help you enhance your skills and apply them to building web applications with Next and React.js. It's a great opportunity to expand your expertise quickly. Anyone interested in databases, if you're curious about databases and want to understand how they work in real applications, we teach you how to connect your application to the database, store and retrieve data, and perform common operations. Autodidactic project-oriented learners, this course is well suited for self-learners who want real project experience. It provides practical examples and guides you through building a complete application. By working on real projects, you'll gain valuable experience and a deeper understanding of full-stack dev.
Pull your hair, get your back in tune. Change positions, now we back in tune.